We've had strawberries in the fridge and I didn't want them to go bad. So I told the kids to chop them up, put them into a bowl, just like that. That looks beautiful. And if they want to put milk in it and eat it like cereal, it's a delicious Farash cereal. That looks fun. Yeah. Ew. I don't know why I said it. Do you know that these are backwards? Huh? See how it's like grippy? Yeah. That's the back side of it. Oh. You cut on the smooth side of them.
I didn't want to mess up, so I just got the wooden one.
Mm-hmm. And Lincoln, look at all those.
This is such a dark strawberry. This is gonna be so sour.
Mm-hmm. Put these in your bowl so you know when your bowl's gonna be full, so you know when to stop cutting strawberries, because it looks like you have a nice little handful. So Boston, what do you think about the strawberry cereal? You like it? I told you. The kids were like, what? That's gonna be so weird. Heck no, there's nothing weird about it.
No, it's so good.
It's fresh and delicious. Oh, heck yeah. Everyone has had breakfast and now they're going to help me clean up our mess from the weekend. We still have not unpacked. And yes, you are all going to be helping me. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, first thing when I clean my room, I like to make my bed. Olivia, you help me make the bed. Okay, Cody and Boston, I want you guys to go, Boston, you go feed and water Lady, go. And Cody, I want you to start in the basement and just pick anything and everything up that you see out of place. Okay. Okay, you go make, No, you're helping me make the bed. No, you're helping me make the bed. Okay, pull all that your way, because I've got way too much. I seriously need to wash my bedding, but I don't know when I'm going to have time. Lucky for us, most of the mess is just dirty clothes, and that's actually easy. Laundry is easy. Okay, go put this. Will you go find the iPad and put this? Oh, okay. Put that with it and just put it next to the computers. Okay. Is your dress dirty or clean? We'll wash it. Need to wash, okay. Yeah. Everything that I throw in the hall, we're going to wash. Basically, all of our Sunday clothes need washed. You can hang my dress up.
How do you put this thing on here? You know, we're just gonna kind of close it on there. It'll be fine.
I'm going to literally wash almost just everything, yes. Linky, come here! Lincoln! Boston, where's Lincoln? Call him! Lincoln! Go put these with mine and Dad's swimsuits in Lincoln's closet. This is Dad's clean shirt. Put this in Dad's closet. Go put your bow ties downstairs in your closet and then come back.
Okay.
I'm looking for the third one. I can't find it. Okay, that goes in the, actually, that goes in the bottom drawer of the bathroom. This also goes by my shorts in Lincoln's closet. Is clean, I sleep better, so I'm actually very excited to be dusting and cleaning my room because I think I'll sleep better tonight. Figured out what helps it clean. Now that we all have things cleaned up, it's time for me to get cleaned up.
Good.
Okay, has everyone brushed their teeth?
Yes.
Yes. We should tell them our code names. Like from Top Gun.
Okay, all right.
My name is Cords.
Cords. Twigs.
Boss.
Boss. I like Slick, but you know, he likes Boss, so that's what we're going with. Have you brushed your teeth?
Yes.
Did each of you do the chore that I asked you to do?
Yes.
Now you are ready to go play with your friends. Wait, did you make your beds?
Yes.
Yes. Alright, picked up. Wait.
now, now you can go play with your friends.
Okay.
The house is picked up and quiet. I'm showered. I do not have the mental capacity to do my hair right now. So I want to show you guys what, oh, I zoomed in. Gosh dang it, why does that always happen? Well, maybe because I dropped the camera. Because I have the time right now, I'm going to do something that I usually do at night before I go to bed. So at night when I shower, I have a clean face. I will do red light therapy on my face because it helps me unwind for the evening. But I'm gonna do it right now because I've got the time. Now before we get into this, I have to tell you just how passionate I am about red light therapy. It started with every time I get a facial, we do red light therapy because it helps with my rosacea. It helps prevent and treat cold sores. And so that's why I was doing it in the first place. Then my friends got a red light sauna and we've gone over several times and it's like a full body red light treatment. And when you just Google some of the benefits from doing red light therapy, it reduces inflammation, it reduces redness, it reduces fine lines and wrinkles. There are just so many benefits to the skin. And so let me tell you, when Omnilux wanted to partner with me on today's video, I was elated. This is an LED face device that is clinically proven to naturally treat the skin through light therapy. They also have a neck and décolleté because the neck and chest are the first to show signs of fine lines and wrinkles, so definitely love this guy. Their technology is used by thousands of dermatologists and estheticians worldwide because of its ability to effectively rejuvenate, repair, and heal the skin. It is FDA cleared, it is safe, it's 100% natural and backed by science. I do have a 10% off discount code for you guys. In the description, I will link the contour mask. So click on the link, use the discount code, and a special thank you to Omnilux for sponsoring today's video. Hypothetically, what if you laid there too long and then you accidentally let your hair like air dry and it looks like Lord Farquaad? I'll tell you who isn't about to sit and go through her entire curly hair routine. That's me. That's me. I will be doing no such thing. No such thing. I don't usually like to slick my hair back unless I'm doing like a full face of makeup. But today, today's special because I'm just going to not do my hair or makeup. I just, you know, it's just gonna be one of those days. It's fine. I actually really love those days. I just don't like looking at myself in the viewfinder on those days. Skin's feeling good though. I'll tell you that much. Today in a message on Instagram, someone wrote that they really enjoy watching my videos after they've already watched them so that they don't like miss anything on days when they have anxiety because it's easy to rewatch and it kind of calms them. And I can assure you, I've never thought that that would be the case when I'm filming, because I just turn the camera on and I just kind of film whatever I'm filming. And so when people say that, I'm like, are you sure? Like, are you sure that my vlogs are helping with that situation? And I don't know, I think that comment helps me more than my videos have ever helped you. So thank you for those type of comments when you send them. Just know that I appreciate... Okay, I'm trying to say this without it coming out wrong. I appreciate you. I want to say I appreciate you more than you appreciate me, but somehow this is feeling kind of weird. So just know that I equally appreciate you and your comments as you do me and my videos. Okay, that sounded better. That just took a hot minute to turn out. We're gonna leave this. Oh, I see you. Don't think you're getting away with anything. I see you over there, you little curl. Curl that got away. Mr. Hoellein.
I almost missed the last step there. That was scary.
Okay, that yelling was like, okay, is she gonna be mad or is she not mad? I am not mad. I came down here to rotate the laundry and I had piles. Was that in this vlog? It was in this vlog, so you know! I had piles of laundry. Show them the clean laundry. The laundry that I showed you that I was gathering, that's clean. And you can't really tell, but there's like a really big pile of it.
There's a dryer sheet, so you know it's clean.
Okay, the kids are gonna fold and put that away when they get home, which makes my job so easy because I'm almost done because Joel did it for me. And all I could think of the whole time when I came down here was partnership. Thank you, Joel.
You're welcome.
I'm like really thrilled right now.
I'm happy for you. I didn't know how to wash any of the stuff because there was like reds, blues, and whites. I was like, and some of it's new.
Put it all in together?
No, I kept all the new stuff in a separate one. I was like, well, we'll let those bleed out on another.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
I'm smart. I know how.
I just to humble you a little.
Excuse me?
It's fine. My shirt will be fine. It's fine.
That's how I used to hang them dry all the time. It works just fine. Just fine. Take an iron to it. You'll be great.
Oh, Joel, have you ever even worn this shirt?
Yeah, that's why it was in the laundry.
Oh, I've never even seen that on you.
That's a running shirt.
That's why I haven't seen it on you.
Yeah.
Okay, Boston, please come in here and tell me all about your day.
Wait, me or Cody?
Either one of you. Okay. Both of you. I can tell that Boston's had a good day because he keeps dancing.
I found some sunglasses on a bench and I washed them off and now they're pretty good. They're these, and then we went to the skate park, and then we went to the pool and went back to the skate park. And we found some friends and they're really nice, and then we came home, but Cody will tell you the rest. So before we went to the skate park, we rode the bus down to Del Taco, and then we got bean burritos, and then we got waters, and then after that we went to the store and bought like Twizzlers, Laffy Taffies, High Chews, and Mountain Dews, and then the skate park stuff.
I just feel like you guys are Mr. Independent. I seriously cannot believe.
I'm this close to landing tail whips.
Nice. Is that on your skateboard?
No, you can't do a tail whip on the skateboard.
A tail whip with what, your bike?
No, my scooter. I brought my scooter.
That's what I meant. That's what I meant. I'll tell you, I'm just mostly impressed with your dance moves. You know? I just... I seriously am like loving these. Boston, you're the perfect way to end the vlog. Have a good day, everybody. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a like. Make sure to check out the links in the description, and we'll see you all later. Bye, guys. For breakfast, I told the kids, okay.
I didn't want
And so I told the kids, okay. Now, before we get into this,